Hey everybody, it's Holly from the Urban Homesteader, and today, I can't even believe I'm doing this, I'm taking chicken enrichment to the next level. I'm going to be playing them some music. So here's the deal, I have been seeing a ton of videos in my feeds from people all over the world playing music for animals, and it got me to thinking, well hello, got me thinking, you know what, I have the animals, I've never played music for them before, I have an accordion, and it is also October, and I thought it would be very appropriate since we have been seeing all sorts of Oktoberfest festivals happening in the area, and I thought it'd just be kind of fun. So I'm going to play a short song for you, and mostly for the chickens, and just to see what their reaction is. They say that when you play music for animals, it gives them a calming sense, and it creates a stress-free environment. Now, I don't really know what these chickens have anything to be stressed out about. They seem to be more curious, that's for sure. They don't know what is happening out here for them, but we're going to see how they react. So let me get my accordion out. I should also say, like, I took lessons a million years ago. I laughed because when I got the sheet music out for this particular song, it's dated with a check mark, which means that I passed it from my instructor in July of 2014. So it has been a minute. Could you please stop pecking my fingers? That'd be great. Anyway, so we'll see how it goes. This is not going to be perfect. You guys can criticize and point and laugh if you want. I don't care. I can take it. This isn't supposed to be anything for professional purposes by any means. It's mostly just about the chickens. It's just to see how they react. So I hope you enjoy. Oh. Okay, here we go. No reaction whatsoever. Well, they didn't really react with anything, but I guess that's okay. I can at least say they didn't run away, although they are fenced in, so there is that. If this video made you smile, please subscribe to the channel and so that you can keep up with any other homesteading shenanigans that are in my future. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.